Oh, sorry.
I got your question.
Sorry, there must be a lag. I understood your question. So we can say so. And how about you? How about you? What do you do? Um, so yeah, so I teach, and but I'm a singer. So I like to perform
Wow,
a lot. Yeah,
so cool.
yeah.
Actually,
Do you like music as well?
I love music.
Oh, you love music. Oh,
I love
wonderful.
music. I love singing, and yeah, and I like to sing some just Bollywood songs. I mean, if I say Hindi songs
Uh-huh.
or yeah, 90s specials, that's my favorite ones.
Oh,
And
wow.
so,
Uh-huh.
also, in fact, I think that everyone should be connected with music in any way.
Why do you think that? I agree with you, but I want to know why you
What's the
think that.
reason behind it? Okay, so when you are connected with music,
Hmm.
and you become a cool-minded person, okay, without having too much stress. So
Okay.
yeah,
So did you say cool-minded?
yes, cool,
Do you mean relaxed?
relaxed mind. Yeah,
Oh, okay. So uh
calm in your personality,
calm. Yes, I like that. Calm-minded. Okay, so you're calm. Uh-huh.
right? And music brings a smile on your face rather than
Yeah.
doing the other stuffs. Okay,
It's true.
and yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
when you sing, you smile, and your smile makes other smiles too.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
very true.
So it also gives you energy, right? When you start singing, or when you start listening to music, you feel
Hmm.
more energetic in yourself.
Yes, yes, it's very true. And singing with others create a close bond with others that you sing with, a community.
Exactly, because it's like going on the one way, right? They are going on
Mm,
the one way. So when you
mm-hmm,
start singing, two or more than two, everyone
mm-hmm,
is doing the same at the same time. So it's like
mm-hmm,
not the same way, right?
mm-hmm,
Your mentality become the same
hmm.
mentality. First,
Oh, yes, we all come together. Uh-huh.
yeah. So it's
Hmm.
like different souls, different bodies with one
Hmm.
mentality.
Hmm. With one mind is what we would say in English. With one mind.
Yeah,
One
exactly.
mind. Hmm.
So and
Wow. Hmm.
and okay, so you like music, and what else? Do you
So,
also?
well, I have one question. I have one more question for you.
Okay,
Who would you love to talk to? A musician, your favorite musician, who would you love to talk to, whether they are alive or not alive? Who would you love to
okay.
speak to?
That's a super nice question for me, especially for me. Yeah. So if you talk about singer, okay, so
Okay.
singer, then obviously I would love to talk to my favorite singer. And
Mm-hmm.
if you talk about musician, then they are not alive anymore. Okay.
Okay.
And is it necessary to name their names?
Yes, I want to know who's your favorite singer. Let's
Okay.
talk about the
So
singer.
they okay. So their name is Nadeem Shravan. It's a Hindi
Okay.
name actually.
Ravan.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are super musicians of 90s.
Oh,
Okay.
the 90s. Okay.
So these are two that I would love to talk. So
Mm.
yeah. So my favorite
What
singer, fortunately.
what would you ask your favorite singer? I'm sorry.
Okay. So
What? Oh, sorry.
I got your question.
Sorry, there must be a lag.